Would you rather have hair that changes color based on your mood, or have eyebrows that dance when you talk? Walk like a crab sideways forever, or jump like a frog, boing boing? Would you rather eat with chopsticks forever, even for soup? Drink through a crazy straw forever? Would you rather have fingers that glow like glow sticks, party hands? Have feet that squeak like rubber ducks? Squeak, squeak! Would you rather wear socks on your hands forever? Wear mittens on your feet forever? Walking just got complicated. Would you rather have a permanent clown face, or have a voice that always sounds like yawning? Hey guys,